Everybody, good afternoon from Islamabad, Pakistan. Ay, gumana ng English ka. Everybody, good afternoon from Islamabad, Pakistan. It's Kate Reto here. So for today's video, come with me as we're gonna make this happen. I know that a lot of you are waiting for this. I have been seeing like comments to meet Mr. Airport Guy once again. So today is the day that we're gonna make it happen. So I have been talking with Mr. Airport Guy for the last 2 weeks, and today is the day that it is gonna happen. Alam ko naman gusto niyo to, so wag na natin palampasin to. Let's go! Everybody, good afternoon from India. Kay Teresa here. So for today, good ako para ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. At bago naman natin simulan tong video na to, and before we start this video, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, like and hit the notification buttons on so I can continue sharing my travel journey to all of you guys. Okay, so simulan na natin to. Let me show you a bit of the beauty of Islamabad, Pakistan. Everybody, wait, can you just put it like in the comment? Can you just comment down below like how much you appreciate the cleanliness of Pakistan? Just look at it. See, do you see any garbage around? No. Ang linis, natutuwa ako, ang sarap sa mata nai-impress ako. Because diba for the longest time, parang, the media, parang they didn't show how clean and how peaceful Pakistan is. And I hope that through this video, you're able to see, tignan mo naman, diba, ang linis. Parang, no need filter. This is like how Islamabad looks like. This is my second visit in Pakistan, and parang still I am impressed of the cleanliness, most especially here in Islamabad, okay? And also, and ano pa ba? And all the other places that I visited in Pakistan, it also looks like this. But I would say that Islamabad is really one of the it's one of the cleanest city in Pakistan. The bike is biking. And please comment down below kung gusto niyo yung fresh look ko for today's video. Ano lang ako, parang simple lang, yung parang hindi naghanda. Ano lang, basic makeup lang. Basta importante may kilay. It's important, no? The kilay is life. It's true because it defines the feature of your face, the shape of your face. So kailangan na kilay is kilaying. Thank you. Everybody finally arrived here in Islamabad International Airport. Sino ang excited dyan? Comment down below. Let's go! Everybody, we have finally arrived here in the airport, and of course, naman talaga, masama yung pakiramdam ko, sorry naman. Tuwing makikita kami ni airport guy, it's either may gagawin ako or masama yung pakiramdam ko. But paano ba ako bababa? Alam ko sa gitna. Ayun. I'm gonna text him. This is not gonna be like a long meet up once again, because basta. But again, just really wanted to show airport guy to all of you guys. Kasi nandito na ako sa Pakistan, di ba? So, and we're in touch naman ever since. So, let's go. Kaya alam nyo, everybody, if there's two places na I'm trying to avoid, airport tsaka hospital. Kasi dito mo makikita naiiyak ako. Kasi dito mo makikita nagbababay yung mga family, nai-stress ako. Tiri-ay, chares. Wala lang, parang naalala ko lang yung bata kami, pag-aalis yung mama mo, pupunta ng ng tawag dito? Ng ibang bansa, iiwanan kayo. Parang nakakikita ko tuloy sa mga bata. But the good thing about Pakistan, marami silang kapatid. Diba? Saan ba ako? Saan ba ako? Bigla ako nawala. Saan ba ako? May nabasa akong comment, sabi niya parang mas maganda pa yata yung airport ng Pakistan sa Naiya. Pareho naman silang maganda. Yes. Pareho silang maganda na magkaiba. Okay. Maganda sila in their own ways. Tapos, ayun. Woo! Pa-excited na ba kayo makita sa airport guy? Hindi ko alam kung anong itsura niya. Ay! Shoota, wait lang. Nasa likod ko na. Where we go? Hoy, sa airport guy! Nagulat ako, nasa likod ko siya. O, tara na. Hoy, sa airport guy! Say hi first. Hello muna. Say hello.
Hello.
Oh, say how are you?
How are you?
Good. Uy! Nahiya ako, mag-ayos pa. Where we go? Kaya, ano na? You look good.
Good,
You
good.
look good, yes.
Good,
Look here.
Thanks.
Ay, Hindi ako mag-eyelashes pa sana ako, pero wag na. Mukha namang maganda na ako, charas. Hi everybody, airport guy. Everybody, airport guy. Say hi again. Ay! Ikaw talaga. Hindi naman tayo nagkakaintindihan eh. Hoy, ang cute na airport guy, oh. Nalagdagan ng konti, mga 1 kilo. Camera good?
Yeah, good.
Hoy, parang this is the 3rd time na magkasama kami dito sa... Wait lang, may nagbe-picture. Wait, let... Ay! Welcome back. Welcome back po. Umer. Umer Shazad. Mag-look ka here. Look here. Umer Shazad, everybody. Hello. Hindi pa ako nag-ayos tsura ko. Wait nga, ayusin ko tong buhok ko. Hayaan mo na nga, side view. Too much people today. Umayan siya sad. You know Zayn Malik?
Huh?
Zayn Malik? Nee, hindi niya alam. Kamukha mo daw yun. Sabi nila. Eto na naman kami sa mga translasyon. Kaya? Same. Also, hoy, may sakit din daw siya. Sabi niya, I have a fever. Ako din, meron. It's a match. Same. Hello. Hoy, naramdaman ko, sa parking lot na naman kami magde-date. McDonald's naman, ibahin naman natin. Mag-McDo naman tayo. Kuya! Show me. We are on the other. Ano ba? Bala ka dyan. Tsura ko. Umar Shazad. Kaya? Ay, naka-smile shops. Shazad. Yeah? Tumingin ka dito. Ay! Dinala niya ako sa park. Amazing. Makakapag-mascara ako. Pwede ba sa grass na lang tayo? Ang social naman ng upuan natin. Dito na lang tayo sa damo-damo.
I am fine.
Yes, English, ka na. Uy, commercial. Talagang inayos yung buhok. Sumunod sa... Sabi ko, uy, fix your hair naman. Inayos naman pala niya. What?
Good.
Yeah, correct.
Kya?
Kya? Normal lang. Ba't parang ang itim naman natin?
Very good.
Dinate mo na naman ako sa parking lot. Ikaw talaga. The parking lot is parking lot.
Pakistan?
Sindabad.
Pakistan.
Come back to me. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. कुछ खाना पीना food no
It's okay. Thank you. Thanks.
welcome
Welcome. Are you happy to see me again?
too
Too much.
much
Are you happy to see me? Too much. Gusto ko to, yung kalmado lang tong 3rd meetup namin. She said, babay na. Nagbabay na lang. Babay na. Kaya. Bye-bye. Ano nang pinagtatatype mo dyan? No, thank you very much.
no thank you very much
Ano bang sinabi ko? Ano bang sinabi ko, Shazad?
Post ki ba?
Everybody, so that's gonna be it. It was just really like a short meet up with Mr. Airport Guy. Ano lang to, parang kita lang. Usual kasi 'di ba? He's he's part of my journey always here in Pakistan. A good friend. Yeah.
Good Pakistan.
Yeah, a good friend of mine. So, ayun. I hope that, hindi na to OA sa pakilig kasi ang OA na, puro pakilig na tong vlog na to. Ano lang to, tamang meet up, tamang pag-uusap
वो
lang.
चाची की वीडियो बनाओ चाची की
Tamang pag-uusap lang, huwag na natin ikomplikado tong pag-meet up na to, wala nang pakilig-kilig like the last time. Wala na, ano lang to, formal meet up, yung parang ano lang, catch up, ganyan. Kasi hindi rin naman kami nagkakaintindihan. Pero ano na, it's been 40 minutes since we were together. Tapos, chikahan kami. Puro translation lang naman. So, yun, chika-chika na kami. Say bye-bye na.
ओके
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
बाय बाय
Bye.
फिनिश
Bye-bye. Everybody,
Bye-bye.
Kay Toretto again, he closing my vlog here.
Bye-bye.
This is the version 3.0 of Mr. Airport Guy. Oh, hindi na tayo nagpakilig. Huwag na kayo. Tantanan nyo na kasi basta. Whatever you are, whatever you're doing, hope that you're having a great day. If not, always remember that tomorrow is another day. Again, this is Kay Toretto from Islamabad International Airport, Pakistan. Bye.
बाय बाय
Bye-bye. And we're not